20 minus 4 gives us 16. And 16 divided by 4 divided by 8. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And 4 divided by 8 gives us 0.5. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this subtraction. If you do this subtraction before this division, it is wrong. So first 4 divided by 4, which gives us 1. Now we have 20 minus 1 divided by 8. In this step, first we have to do this division because division has a higher priority than subtraction in PEMDAS. So now we have to do this 1 divided by 8. We can write 1 over 8. So 20 minus 1 over 8. Instead of this 20, we can write 20 times 8 gives us 160. And 160 over 8. So we have 160 over 8 minus 1 over 8. Now, common denominator is 8 and 160 minus 1. 160 minus 1 is equal to 159 over 8. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 159 over 8.